My name is Nikhil Padgaonkar. I'm 21 years old. I graduated from BCom in Mithibai College in 2023. After that, I pursued my MCom in NM College, and I'm currently in my first year. I am a fresher and I don't have any work experience, but I'm currently interning in Nippon India Mutual Fund in the investments debt team. For my prep for my MBA entrances, I went to IMS Juhu Center. In my NMAT, I got a score of 245 with 77 in quant, 89 in verbal, and a 79 in LR. I would study approximately 5 to 6 hours a day, also juggling my MCom colleges from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. One of my biggest challenges was the RC section, which I always thought was difficult, but my mentors in IMS Juhu always recommended me to read up a lot of essays from Aon Essays, which was a very popular site for a lot of exams to choose their RCs from. Then one of my stronger areas was quant and verbal reasoning. So whenever I would have some time off doing other sections, or whenever I would get tired of doing other sections, I'd get down to doing quant and verbal reasoning, as they were my stronger areas and I didn't feel tired doing them at all. IMS was a great help, especially through their My Plan sessions for my mock analysis and especially my exam strategies. IMS mocks were also very helpful because they were slightly difficult as compared to the actual exam, which helped me prepare for the worst.